guys, there's one more way to decode a key, and that's through universal duplication. Not always recommended because it does copy the key exactly, and what that means is if it is a worn key, it's going to cut it back to its worn state. So the way we do that is go universal key duplication. Today we're going to be using a Toy 43, so that is a standard double-sided key. In this instance, this key does not have a shoulder, so we will have to tip align that one, so we'll just select that. Alrighty, so it's suggesting that we use M5 clamp side A and put it to the third line. It will just click on that, and then we'll show you how to put that blade in. Alrighty, we'll just pop that blade in, make sure it's nice and straight to that third line. Alrighty, we'll just click decode. Alrighty, successfully decoded. We'll just click pop that out. I'll just show you guys that silhouette with that key, and that's looking pretty spot on. This key is actually in good condition, so doing it this way will work quite well. However, if this was a worn key, this way we'll cut it back to a worn key. So if you can do the all keys lost method or the by bitting method, it is highly recommended. Alrighty, now that we've decoded the key, we've got a blank key. So we'll just put that in the exact same position, which is that third line, and click start cutting. So we'll just go start cutting.